kitchen. I'm Chommy. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button and please don't forget to give me a thumb up, like, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be among the first blessed people to know that I have uploaded a new video. And also let me know in the comment section the next recipe you would like me to prepare. So friends, guess what we are going to be preparing today? Today we'll be preparing a delicious, yummy, mouth-watering fried rice. Yeah, you heard it. Today we'll be preparing fried rice. Everything is ready. So now I will be showing you the ingredients we need to prepare this delicious fried rice. Please, friends, I would like you to prepare this fried rice in your house because I prepare with a lot of love. So I urge you to all to try the receipt and see. So friends, come with me. Let me show you the ingredients we'll be needing to prepare this delicious fried rice. Here I have my cow liver, seasoning cube, and my green beans. I have already cut it. And here I have green peas, pepper, 3 carrots, and my onions. I will be using 1.5. I will not use the whole 2. And here is the green pepper that I will also be using, and red pepper. I have half red pepper because it's quite big, so that's why I will be using half. And my olive oils. I prefer olive oil, so you can use any of your choice. And my chicken, I have already cut and washed it, my chicken. And here I have the curry powder and my thyme. It goes well with the meat. And my salt. And here I have 2 cups of rice that I will be using. 2 cups of rice. So without wasting more time, let's go to the main business. So here we add our stock cube. I will just use 2 stock cube. I reserved 1 for later. I add the salt, the curry powder, enough curry powder, thyme, 1 spoon of thyme we need. So here I forgot to add my cow liver. I'm supposed to put it earlier on when I just added the chicken, so I forgot it. That's why I'm putting it now. We add our onion, add water. And we cover and cook for 30 minutes. So we pre-cook the rice for 8 minutes. Now I will be preparing the chicken to put it in the oven because I will be grilling it. So here, after pre-cooking our rice for 8 minutes, I cool it down under the tap with a cold water. In the same pot, we pour in our stock, our chicken stock. We add the curry powder and salt. When it starts boiling, then we add our rice again and cook till it's done. Here I will be frying my vegetables, starting from the onion. I'll fry it about 2 minutes. I'll add my carrots. Green pepper, red pepper, green beans, salt to taste, and my peas, sweet corn. Then I add a little curry. And now the remaining one seasoning cube that I reserved. So I'll add it now to taste. And I will fry about 5 minutes. It's done. So here we have our rice that have been cooking. So here you can see there is no more water. Here with the vegetable I have already fried earlier, now we mix it together with the rice and fry for some minutes. Now our fried rice is ready to eat. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit on that subscribe button, like and give your comments. See you soon. Bye.